Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. Apply this mixture on the dark circles under your eyes and wake up without them. Results guaranteed. Dark under eye circles are a typical cosmetic issues, which ordinarily comes about because of overexposure to pressure, medical issues, rest lack, unfortunate eating routine and way of life. People of all ages, including children, can be affected with this condition. Despite the fact that not dangerous, dark under eye circles seriously affect a person's appearance, making them look unhealthy, tired and even older. Luckily, natural medicine offers a number of safe medications that can effectively remove dark circles under your eyes. One such treatment is the recipe we've chosen for you. It costs close to nothing and it's superbly safe to use. Best of all, it has proven extremely helpful for all who've tried it. Recipe. This stunning home cure can help you get rid of dark circles under your eyes quickly and effectively. It's both safe and powerful remedy and it uses only 3 easily available ingredients: honey, potatoes, and cucumber juice. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon fresh cucumber juice, 1 teaspoon freshly grated potato. Directions: 1. Make paste by mixing the ingredients together. 2. Clean your skin thoroughly, then apply the mask. 3. Let it act for 20 minutes. 4. Wash it off with cool water. 5. Apply a moisturizer as usual. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.